jeez, he disappeared. First leg of the trip. 7 or 8 guys. Top of the lookout. Some more bikes coming up the hill. Pretty gnarly little trail here.
Ever since the fork oil change, it's working way better.
Oh yeah.
Way more plus.
Oh yeah.
Way better. Oh no, you made a couple left back there. Be a shit show. There's really bad mud that way. Which way? That way. Oh yeah? Straight, yeah.
Attaboy!
I don't know what to say.
Oh, he's in.
Another day. Yeah, rock hiding in the stump. Yeah, that's a pretty good wheel chop. Not getting over that anytime.
Kevin come right through the hole?
No, he went right over the rocks.
Oh, good boy.
On top of the rocks, both tires, and then just accelerated over. Like, what's slippery about the rock?
That's not easy. If anybody wants to try, just try it, Dan. There's some washouts and stuff. It's quite technical. And there's like 2 or 3 different hills.
Might as well try it. Shit! Oh yeah.
More coming?
That was a fun climb. It's pretty gnarly. Way. There's that first little hill boys got hung up on. Yes, sir. That was
nice.
fun.
That's a nice hill, eh?
GoPro, stop recording. Oh, the sun is right in your eyes coming up that hill. Attaboy! Woo! Oh, shit. You okay, bud? You all right? You okay?
What?
You okay? Take it right back down again, Kev. This is Mike Brown.
No way. It's a 125.
Snarlier up there.
It won't do anymore. I can try it in a second, but I'll have to shift. What the hell is that on that friggin' right there? It looks round.
It's just a piece of moss that Kevin just chewed up when he fell on his head. Good footage here. This is some, yeah. Well. What are you talking that way, Mark? Almost! Nighter! Woo! Same spot! Same spot!
I'm fucked now. I'm right on the frame.
Look out! Animal! He's an animal! Evan. This is a gnarlier hill than the one that they said was gnarly. Heads up. Nice. Nice. Oh, jeez, he disappeared. Brad, nice job.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't drag it. That fucking scared the shit out of me.
There's a big drop, eh?
Were you in first, Brad?
Oh, it was in second.
Second.
That's a good second gear hill. Yeah. Pretty cool, actually.
Hey,
Yeah, that sucked.
that's gnarly chicken material right there, baby.
Oh, awesome.
Uh,
I was trying to stay over on
See if the bike will start, because it's going to be a little gurgly upside down and all.
Easy on the clutch.
Second or first?
No, second. Just work that clutch. Whoa. See Devin come up right over this rock, friggin' jumped and looped it, friggin' one leg down.
Oh, yeah.
And Evan came up and jumped over that rock.
Oh, yeah.
Smashed it.
Hit that rock and jumped it.
Devin went over this side, almost took me out where
Oh, yeah.
Nathan's standing. And Evan came up on his 250 on the far left rock and get a great big smasher over it.
Oh,
Whoop! Yeah.
I hit something too. I had a dab with my right.
Yeah.
I was airborne sideways dabbing with my right, trying to get up that.
Yeah. That one friggin' kicker, eh? Hey, you coming next weekend?
This one? This weekend or the one after?
Next.
Hey, where are you guys going?
It's the Brooksy run we're doing, Turtle Mountain. From my place. There's a big curve. Oh yeah. Got her. Not enough speed. Oh.
Everybody stalls in that one spot. Oh, you got it.
Big Kev. Oh boy, good save.
That's a big hill there.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Come on, take that old hill from me. Yeah. Oh. You got her first there? Oh, yeah. Right up or what? I didn't bring my helmet down.
On mine?
Oh, that's all right. I couldn't get
No?
that thing up. I don't know if I could get this thing up.
I know you can. Go ahead,
Enjoy her?
Murphy.
Old Craig gonna give her a shot on 450.
We're all in trouble.
Gotta give credit to him, man. He's been coming out every friggin' weekend with us after 30 years of not being on a bike.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's a tough place to ride.
Oh, jeez.
Stall so easy.
Dave will come up this no problem, won't he?
Oh, yeah. I know. You want to go down this?
Oh, yeah. Devin's gonna bring up Craig's 300 because Craig just drove up the 450.